I will talk about how can you find your following on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on following here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here you will find your uh, organizers here, and here your following events. Like you see here, I have no events here following, and here no I have only this organizers here. But if you have a lot, can you find it? And here you will find your following. I have no following like you see here, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.